Speak, listen, hub. Talk show.
Hi, I want coffee, but I don't know.
No worries. Do you like strong or soft taste?
I think soft taste.
Then maybe a latte. It has milk in its light.
Oh, latte. Does it have foam?
Yes, a little foam on top. Very smooth.
That sounds good. Can I add vanilla?
Of course. Vanilla latte is very popular.
Okay, I'll take that. Please.
One vanilla latte coming right up.
Wait, are there other flavors too?
Yes, we have caramel, hazelnut, and chocolate.
Chocolate sounds nice.
That would be a mocha. Coffee with chocolate.
Oh, mocha. Is it very sweet?
Not too sweet, but sweeter than a latte.
I like sweet drinks. Maybe mocha is better.
Do you want cream on top?
Cream? That sounds tasty. Yes, please.
Okay, one mocha with cream.
But maybe cappuccino? I hear that name a lot.
Cappuccino is stronger, with more foam on top.
Does it have chocolate too?
No chocolate, just milk and foam.
I'm not sure now.
That's okay, take your time.
What is the most popular drink here?
Latte is number one, then cappuccino, then mocha.
So people like latte more?
Yes, latte is smooth and easy to drink.
Can I make it iced?
Yes, iced latte is very nice.
Does it taste the same?
Similar, but colder and lighter.
I never tried iced coffee.
Many people love iced drinks in summer.
Is it summer drink only?
No, you can drink it anytime.
Okay, maybe I try iced latte.
Good choice. Do you want a flavor?
What flavors go well iced?
Caramel or vanilla, both are popular.
Caramel iced latte. That sounds good.
Perfect. One caramel iced latte.
Wait, can I ask about Americano?
Sure. Americano is espresso with hot water.
Is it strong?
Stronger than latte, but lighter than espresso.
Does it have milk?
No, only coffee and water.
Maybe too bitter for me.
Yes, many people add sugar.
I like sugar, but I like milk too.
Then latte is better for you.
Okay, I go back to latte again.
No problem. Do you want hot or iced?
I think hot.
With milk and foam.
Can I add extra milk?
Yes, that makes it softer.
Softer sounds nice.
Then extra milk latte is perfect.
Do many people ask that?
Yes, some like stronger, some like softer.
I see. What about espresso?
Espresso is very small and very strong.
How small?
Only one small cup.
That is too small for me.
Yes, but very strong.
Do people drink only espresso?
Some do, but many mix it.
Mix? How?
Latte, cappuccino, and mocha all use espresso inside.
Oh, so espresso is the base?
Exactly, you got it.
That makes sense now.
Yes, espresso is the heart of coffee.
Do you have decaf espresso?
Yes, no caffeine but same taste.
That is interesting.
Many people want coffee taste without caffeine.
I never tried decaf.
You can try one day.
Maybe later. Today I want something sweet.
Then mocha is good again.
I still like mocha idea.
Do you want hot or iced mocha?
What's better?
Hot is creamy, iced is refreshing.
I think iced mocha.
Nice choice. With cream?
Yes, cream on top.
Perfect. One iced mocha with cream.
And size? Do you have sizes?
Yes, small, medium, and large.
What is the difference?
Just the amount of coffee and milk.
Medium sounds good.
Okay, one medium iced mocha.
Do you also have frappe?
Yes, cold blended coffee with ice.
Does it taste sweet?
Yes, a little sweet.
What flavors are there?
Vanilla, caramel, mocha strawberry.
Strawberry coffee? Really?
Yes, strawberry frappe is popular with young people.
Interesting. Maybe next time.
Sure, no problem.
What is your favorite coffee?
I like cappuccino.
Why cappuccino?
Strong but creamy, good balance.
Sounds nice.
Do you want to try one?
Maybe small cappuccino.
Okay, one small cappuccino.
Wait, I already said mocha.
Yes, you said mocha before.
Can I change my mind?
Of course you can.
Okay, cancel mocha. I take cappuccino.
No problem, one cappuccino.
Thank you for being patient.
My pleasure. Take your time.
Do you have cookies too?
Yes, cookies and cakes.
Which cake is popular?
Cheesecake is very popular.
Coffee and cheesecake. Good idea.
Many people order that.
Okay, One cappuccino and one cheesecake.
Great choice.
Do you think it's too much sugar?
Not too much, just fine.
Okay, good.
Do you want sugar in cappuccino?
Maybe half spoon.
Sure, half spoon sugar.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I ask again. Cappuccino has foam, right?
Yes, lots of foam.
And latte has less foam.
Correct. More milk, less foam.
I think I will like cappuccino more.
Yes, many people do.
Do you make art in coffee?
Yes, little heart or leaf in foam.
Wow, can you make a heart?
Sure, I can.
That would be nice.
One cappuccino with heart art.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Anything else?
Do you have milk options?
Yes, regular soy and almond milk.
Almond milk? Interesting.
Yes, many like almond latte.
Can I change to almond cappuccino?
Of course, almond cappuccino.
Does it taste very different?
A little nutty taste. Very nice.
Okay, almond is good.
Great choice.
And cheesecake too, don't forget.
Yes, almond cappuccino and cheesecake.
Perfect.
Do you want takeaway or drink here?
I will drink here.
Okay, I'll bring it to your table.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I asked too many questions. Sorry.
No problem. I like questions.
Do many customers ask like me?
Yes, many don't know the menu.
So I'm normal then.
Yes, very normal.
Good. I feel better.
Coffee shops are for questions too.
That's true.
Yes, no stress here.
I think I will come often.
That's great to hear.
Maybe I try different coffee each time.
Yes, that's fun.
Next time, maybe iced latte.
Good plan.
Today, almond cappuccino is enough.
Yes, it's a good start.
And cheesecake, of course.
Yes, sweet and tasty.
My friend also likes cheesecake.
Maybe bring your friend next time.
Yes, good idea.
Coffee is better with friends.
True, I agree.
Okay, I'll prepare your almond cappuccino and cheesecake.
Now let's test your memory. Can you remember the coffee shop conversation? You will have 5 seconds to answer each question. Good luck! 1. What type of coffee did the customer finally choose? A. Mocha. B. Latte. C. Cappuccino with almond milk. D. Americano. 5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
Correct answer, C. Cappuccino with almond milk. 2. Which dessert did the customer order with her coffee? A. Chocolate cake. B. Cheesecake. C. Cookie. D. Brownie.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Correct answer, B. Cheesecake. 3. What flavor did the customer add to her latte earlier? A. Caramel. B. Hazelnut. C. Vanilla. D. Chocolate.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Correct answer, C. Vanilla. 4. Which milk options were available at the cafe? A. Regular, soy, and almond. B. Regular, oat, and coconut. C. Regular, skim, and soy. D. Only regular milk.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Correct answer, A. Regular, soy, and almond. 5. Which statement is true according to the dialogue? A. Cappuccino is sweeter than a mocha. B. Latte has more foam than cappuccino. C. Espresso is the base for latte, cappuccino, and mocha. D. Americano always contains milk.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Correct answer, C. Espresso is the base for latte, cappuccino, and mocha. Great job on the quiz. Did you remember all the answers? But this is only the beginning. Find out what happens next in the next video.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.